I was actually looking for little tiny violin. I was looking for a little tiny violin because I wanted to find the world's smallest violin, and I could just give it as like a joke gift. I've got this friend of mine. They complain all the time, and their life's really super cool. So I was going to give them a little joke gift, like, "Oh, here's the smallest violin for you to show you." Anyway, so in doing that, I came across these miniature guns, these goat guns. Okay, goat guns get a ton of search volume. These are all exact match searches, pretty insane. Sorry, down here for the particular products. Okay, and if you look at the product, here's what it is. They are. This is America, of course. So put aside your particular love or hatred of guns. Put aside that for a second and just look at the product category and the idea, because it's an interesting one. So what they are, it's a company called Goat Guns, and Goat Guns, they're miniature replicas of the full size AK-47, M1 Garands, that kind of stuff. Okay, that's the premise of it. Just like some people collect miniature die-cast cars and stuff like that, or miniature die-cast planes, there's also people who are buying these miniature guns. Turns out there's a lot of them buying this product, a lot of them buying the product. Make a note of the price points, okay? Around about $50 for the price point. Some are a lot more, obviously, but they're around that kind of 50-ish bucks, okay? So stumbled on this, thought it was super interesting, did some research. This is their TikTok account. Very, very cool TikTok account. 4.7 million likes on their videos. That's a lot of people liking their videos, and their videos themselves, well, they get a decent amount of views, okay? And they use influencers. If you search for goat guns, they've got good influencers out there doing a lot of stuff. So that's an influencer with 9 million views, 4 million views, blah, 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 okay? Ditto for YouTube, ditto for Instagram. They've done very, very well. Anyway, so here's their website. That's their website, okay? Very smart. Nothing special. The website does its thing, gets decent traffic. I looked on SimilarWeb, gets decent traffic, 274,000 views a month. So decent traffic. But then I found they actually wholesale out, okay? They wholesale out. So I got their product catalog because I thought that'd be cool to just have a look at that. So I got their product catalog. Very, very cool. They got a lot of different guns that they put together and a lot of different things going on. So then I thought maybe I can find who supplies them as a product. So I looked I did a trademark search for goat guns, saw that it was registered to Gregory R. Lunt, which surely is a made up name. Anyway, but then I also got, because of that, I got their person what owns the intellectual property, which is Goat Guns LLC. Okay. So then I did some research on those guys, and I found that this is one of the companies that supply them. And I used Import Genius, and the other one I used was Import Yeti. So these are the people that supply them. Okay. These are the people that supply them. And these are readily available on Alibaba as well. So what is the opportunity in this? Well, I think there is an opportunity in this for selling them in other countries, because right now they don't export out of the US market. They do not export out of the US market. So put aside your like or dislike of guns and toy guns and things like that, and just look at how I went about researching them, because that's kind of cool, or look at the opportunity to go and do a similar thing in another country. And so which countries would you think something like this could work? Obviously, America, they're obsessed with guns, okay? But which other countries have got a quote unquote relationship with guns that could be useful. So the first one that came to my mind was Mexico as an interesting marketplace, because Mexico has got interesting gun laws about what they can and can't do, interesting relationship with guns. So there's definitely an opportunity there for something like that. Also, as well, Germany, specifically southern Germany, Bavaria, places like that. Again, quite a big gun culture there as well. Okay. Mexico, southern Germany, Bavaria, those kind of places could be kind of interesting. Okay. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.